In the 21st century, the pace of change has been faster than at any other time in human history. Technology, globalization, and the constant flow of information have transformed the way we live, work, and interact with one another. It is often said that the world has become a global village, and to some extent, this description is true. A student in India can attend an online lecture delivered by a professor in the United States, while a small business in Africa can sell its products to customers in Europe or Asia with just a few clicks. The boundaries that once divided nations, cultures, and markets have become increasingly blurred, creating opportunities as well as challenges for individuals and societies. Education has emerged as the single most powerful tool to prepare individuals for this rapidly changing world. However, education today is not limited to classrooms, textbooks, or examinations. Learning has extended into digital platforms, practical experiences, and lifelong engagement with knowledge. In fact, adaptability has become just as important as academic achievement. A person who can learn, unlearn, and relearn is better equipped to survive in a dynamic environment than someone who is rigidly attached to one set of skills. Employers across industries are now emphasizing creativity, problem solving, communication, and emotional intelligence as much as technical knowledge. At the same time, the digital revolution has raised serious concerns. While millions of people benefit from access to information, millions of others remain excluded due to poverty, lack of infrastructure, or social barriers. This digital divide creates new forms of inequality that can be as harmful as economic or social disparities. Governments, educational institutions, and private organizations have a responsibility to ensure that technology empowers everyone rather than leaving some groups further behind. Bridging this gap requires investment in affordable internet access, training in digital literacy, and policies that protect people from exploitation in cyberspace. Another important theme of the modern world is sustainability. Rapid industrial growth and consumerism have contributed to environmental degradation, climate change, and loss of biodiversity. Scientists have repeatedly warned that human activity has crossed several ecological limits, putting the future of the planet at risk. Yet, progress is possible if societies adopt sustainable practices. Renewable energy, eco-friendly urban planning, responsible consumption, and international cooperation can help reduce the damage and restore balance. Young people, in particular, are showing strong interest in climate activism, demonstrating that the next generation is deeply aware of its responsibility toward the earth. Globalization has also intensified cultural exchanges. People today are exposed to a wide variety of languages, cuisines, music, and traditions. While this enriches human experience, it also raises questions about identity and preservation of heritage. Some fear that smaller cultures may be overshadowed by dominant global trends, leading to loss of diversity. On the other hand, cultural blending can encourage tolerance, understanding, and peaceful coexistence. The real challenge lies in finding a balance between embracing global influences and preserving unique traditions. Education, media, and community initiatives play a crucial role in ensuring that cultural identity is celebrated rather than erased. In the sphere of economics, innovation has created new industries and employment opportunities, but it has also disrupted existing systems. Automation and artificial intelligence are replacing many routine jobs, while creating demand for new skills. This shift requires careful planning at the policy level and continuous training at the individual level. A society that resists change may face unemployment and instability, whereas one that prepares proactively can benefit from higher productivity and better standards of living. Social security measures, retraining programs, and inclusive growth policies will be essential to manage this transition. Health has become another global concern, especially in the aftermath of the recent pandemic. The crisis revealed how interconnected the world truly is. As a virus spreading in one part of the globe quickly affected every region, it also highlighted the importance of public health systems, scientific research, and international cooperation. Moving forward, countries must not only strengthen their healthcare infrastructure but also focus on preventive measures, mental well-being, and equitable access to treatment. Public awareness and community participation are equally important in creating a healthier society. Finally, in this era of constant transformation, the value of ethics and human dignity cannot be forgotten. Technology, economics, and politics must always serve humanity, not the other way around. Progress should be measured not only in terms of material wealth or scientific achievement, but also in terms of justice, fairness, and compassion. Every person has the right to live with dignity, free from discrimination and oppression. It is the responsibility of leaders, institutions, and citizens to uphold these values, ensuring that the benefits of progress are shared by all. In conclusion, the modern world presents us with a complex mixture of opportunities and challenges. The decisions we make today will shape the future of generations to come.